There are around 6,000 cases of corneal infection in the UK per year, which can lead to devastating eyesight loss. The cornea is part of the eye that sits right at the front and is exposed to the outside world, leaving it open to attack by nasty bacteria. It's really important to get the patient the right medication to treat the infection, and fast. Current methods can take a long time to decide which bacteria are causing the problem, so by the time they get the accurate treatment, it could be too late. Current research is trying to make the diagnosis quicker and more accurate. This allows for personalised medication to your infection and helps prevent antimicrobial resistance. One lady has witnessed firsthand how devastating these infections can be.
Initially with my eye, with the flare-up of it, I just started with a red patch on my eye, and at the point then they couldn't see anything, so they sent me away. It was then in the morning I woke up and I couldn't even open my eye. If they could have found out or confirmed the diagnosis quicker, I probably would have saved the 8 weeks of perhaps being off work and reduction in the hours that I was doing, and the pain and loss of vision that I did get.
Dr. Hussain and his team, in conjunction with NAMRIP at the University of Southampton, have been developing a small electronic chip to make the diagnosis process far shorter. The chip shows within minutes which bacteria are causing the issue within the eye. Here's how it works. Imagine a stream. In that stream there are many shoals of fish. Each fish is a different shape and size. The stream represents the channels in the chip and the fish represent the different bacteria. As the fish travel down the stream, they come across a line of seaweed. The different fish move the seaweed out of the way by different amounts as they go through. In the chip, the types of bacteria move an electric field out of the way by different amounts. We can identify the fish by how much they move the seaweed. At the end, a computer can then tell us exactly which fish are travelling down the stream or which bacteria are travelling through the chip. So very quickly you can have a precise medication for your issue.
Some of the patients have presented to me rather late, and had the doctors originally had that information, they would have been on the right treatment and they wouldn't end up having to lose their eyesight as they may have done. So there's no doubt that this would speed up the whole process and lead to a better outcome for them all. Well, the key limitations is that it's early in its development, and it also has to be reduced in its size so that it can be used it can become more portable and more usable for all clinicians, not just in big hospitals, but also in small practices or in rural areas throughout the world.
We can help reduce the suffering patients go through and reduce the staggering number of patients each year. So if the chip is successful in saving people's eyesight here in Southampton, it could be used countrywide or even globally to reduce these key diagnosis times.